There's 3 separate entrances into Brownwood. Each one totally different, pretty in their own right. This is sort of the natural one. And as we walk outside, out in front here, that's the entrance. And this is where the sculpture of the cattle drive is. And this is what you see from 44 as you're going by. And it is really impressive. Here we go. Here's the cowboy with a calf in his arms and the cows on the long, rough cattle drive. Look at the beautiful sculptures of these. These are life-size. And it continues on across the street just as it would if there was a true cattle drive.